Ban singanya ke imlang kasalang don kamru ban penklain lani pencelur ya ke Village Defense Party lani WDP. Kawai na kajing yalang kabala yo ban pelong menin kasngi haka katsan tarik unai wing arja rapusau. Hapo ke ying dorbar hall ningkin. Kate kajing yalang bala peniai ke Office Superintendent of Police East Kasil District. Hapo kajing kmi bat pai ke Peninsula Police Station. Ya ketika cingalang jong katanat pulit la ya wer ya kiduk hot jong ka Village Defense Party haman lagi benta jong kisnong bakin dup tip ne snuthu bakum no ban register ya lade hapo ke police station kenang bakan wan raru ya ke jing shong suk shong shengan ha ke imlang kasalang ha ketika sngi la ya don bentalem ru uba kraw box chocolate kumunong pasar jing mut jong ni ke cingalang uba dai ru video jong ka East Kasil District bad u inspector J nong lang lempat kiwe de ke he pulit la ni ke he sarkar.
But nilagay sa pag-iisip ka ni Kajukuchin balay pa ang register ya ka PDP kabanukong ka juba habang iya kren habang nasulak kabanukong ka juba kami kalau ba balay ba register siya ko SP office balay ba register siya ko police department nilakan ka borsyon but kakabok borsyon hindi nilalakan handle ki anti-social activities menikmati ikan snail di badan hak Islam di tahun ini tanda ka borsna. Yang register pun toh iyo, mudah pun toh iyo. Kami kata. But kami itu baju sisa. Kalau tu dia sedang fokus di pihak kuat pengusaha kami berkira kata senyara pocket money jadi VDP kastan buat kamu tu kah. Temanya kapor kaki usah kalai sepak tu kah. But kami kalai sepak ka harus kini kisah kalau kisah ka bangsa itu kalai sepak ka. Balarani kai kisah ki bakam hai kalai sepak ka kawai ka VDP. Larade hampa biar piwe untak tong baisya. Na ya keren biskuit, na ya keren kiwi tang ka baisya saw ka bae bahwa kena.
VDP don sampo prat legi snow. The malay estimating our court balai sepak mudi Tengah lakai pa lain armut nak awai ke VDP Rampas nong sekretari Nanta pajak itu bombon VDP Kenapa dia selalu bangun dia Saya pensilur lagi bangun sisna VDP Rekum pa kalong ipoitan kene To omlele Kamadai kikiat ro Dari Kaya kapa ya hindu Ay pa kalong kapa Kapacok Kapadon jemut Kapabentoy Tengah seru menong Kapta VDP Presipta Kenika Arli. Toy kasih kono ngabade pra election. Nampak apa yang kedua kumne kamta perkini besar pada ina kena dependent juga VDP branch. Kasih pang toy kita bagi berkeran ngilong live discussion ada. Ke kedua ke vision ke artatin. Kini yo disai direct. Tewar kita ro banyak Islam ke kopor ono ngidon kam kendiat ke jiatran ya khana kumhal takul lecture to ini ya cikmat. Te hakum kene ke jitu lang. Toi agil kisni berman misalnya yawan agil kisni malai ko ucailai haman lagi unit ne hakisna botar juti. Rekat patkiro kanu tuli lam kendak di hagadu juma awareness program bana sekolah berkhoi ki member jugi VDP jugi snong jugi dikitu lang kwa tasai kuboregi misalnya yawan capi rehakum kene awagi kudu lang ne kroi kum para unit ofer kumbi VDP naso pong nakaliam tunga kum si jugi kum doni na kowe pong kumplesi mone ya ka jingiram jugi na kapor chakpor ha ka jing trei jugi kum di polis ngara kemau kamtam yang itu kisni itu kibenai itu kisnem itu kijing lockdown por covid mo pilong sisa kiti gamon kiti kediang nakuta ke police station jumi te ngagentu pi patong nang yetre sitham susu ban terlong ke kisnong ki thau jumi kisnong ki thau ki bachongsu ki bachongsai
VDP is a very important role, means a very important part and parcel of police department. Without the cooperation of the VDP, police alone we cannot do anything. So we need your close cooperation to bring peace and harmony in our area.
Ki VDP kita support police te giban rat khong jing snew hashna matha.
I think regarding duties and functions of BDP, though, I think all of you know. But I just want to say shortly regarding these duties and functions of BDP.
Duty of BDP ni lakden ni ray mentaru in shaya di kumno bin len di hashna matha.
The main duty of the BDP is to assist the police department in maintaining law and order.
Ban assess yaki police ban rat dikhon yaki di ban rat dikhon yaki snew hashna matha ni.
And the second thing is to prevent crime, commission of crime.
Baneda yaki nomule kam snew hashna matha ni.
And that I don't know how many of you were doing joint patrolling. Is any BJP party who is doing joint patrolling with police?
Dan
BSF?
Dan national nabi kiba kwa panile joint patrolling bag ni police kila kana patrol sungi dan kabagong kata ngila ha harun ngapua tamba ngapua tingi video
If not, I'm just urging you, requesting you, sometimes once or twice in a month, at least do with your concerned police department, means those whether it may be from BSF also, they may need your assistance and all, sometimes from police department. So we can do joint patrolling also, so that we can control crime in our area.
Kila le joint patrolling bag ni police hashna matha dan kini bangat dan syabora bat ni Inya access ki BSF ban rat dikhong yaki jingsneo.
And the very important duties is to share your information. If you have any information regarding any anti-social element who were disturbing our peace and tranquility, and that you should collect all that information and all, and you should, if you get any information, you should share with our department so that we can do jointly.
Dan kini snew hashna matha pi mas dia